ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
We humans are insatiable. We always desire more. We are never happy with what we have. We somehow always crave for more. We think that we will be happy if our wishes are fulfilled. And by thinking so, we find ourselves in a race. A race to get somewhere. A race to obtain something. What we want, most of the times, we don't know. The race becomes endless and we waste our lives and our breaths in that race. Until one day, we find magic in the form of divinity. Pranam and welcome to the episode 15 of Bapji, the divinity that lives on. Today we are going to share a story of a man who got out of the endless race because of Dada. This man was born and brought up in a middle-class family. He got a job at a good place but did not get a good salary. He accepted the job and continued at it with the hope that someday he would get the salary he deserved. He knew that he was being undervalued. He tried to look for better paying jobs as well as negotiate the salary with his boss, but nothing worked out. Therefore, even though the dissatisfaction was boiling within him, he continued his job. At that time, his wife suggested that he should devote his time to worshipping Dada. She used to go to the Urja Tirth every day, where she chanted his name as well as meditated. Her faith had helped her immensely in every walk of her life. Before she had started worshipping Dada, she remained unhappy from within for a very long time. Despite everything in her life being in order, she was unable to find joy. This man had tried to talk to her about it multiple times, but nothing fruitful came out of their conversation. However, once she surrendered to Dada, everything changed. She found joy, and with it, their home found joy. Amidst all of this, her husband had somehow never visited the shrine. However, on seeing the transformation in his wife, he had been attracted to Dada. At the same time, his wife pushed him to start devoting his time to worship. He somehow followed her advice. He visited the temple every day and chanted Dada's name. After only 1 month, his salary increased. He had been trying for years to get a raise and nothing had happened. But he surrendered to Dada, and within a short span of 30 days, his salary increased. Such a miracle. But as they say, the more you have, the more you want. After his desire for a salary got fulfilled, he prayed to Dada for his son. Though his heart did not completely approve of his desires, he prayed to Dada to take care of his son. On the other hand, his wife never asked for anything. All she did was pray. After having found her faith in Dada, she had not missed a day of visiting the temple. She went there every day, went around his idol, chanted his name, and sang devotional songs in his praise. Following the wife's footsteps, the husband too surrendered himself to Dada and visited the shrine every single day. As their faith grew stronger, the number of miracles in their life multiplied. Their son found a better job. Dada took care of him even in the new place, and within a short span of 5 months, he got a raise that he wasn't even expecting. Is this anything short of another miracle? This man says that he does not believe that Dada is not present. He says Dada is everywhere. If you have the faith, he is present in every single breath you take. Jai Gurudev, Jai Gurudev. Dada, even though you are present in every fiber of my being, I long for you. I seek you. I want to be with you. Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwar Sadgurubhyo Namaha.